In this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal checkout to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account and go to the Settings section. From there, click on Payments to open your payment settings. Next, scroll down until you find the PayPal section. If PayPal is available in your region, you will see the option to activate or connect your account. After that, click Activate PayPal and enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Make sure you're using the correct email so payments are sent to the right account. Now follow the prompts to log into PayPal and authorize the connection between PayPal and Shopify. Next, return to Shopify and confirm that PayPal is listed as an active payment method. This means customers can now choose PayPal during checkout. After that, place a test order or review your checkout settings to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, save your settings and you're ready to start accepting payments through PayPal on your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add PayPal checkout to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.